Hello, so how to add the scroll progress bar in your web page. So this look really nice if you add this to your web page. So here I have defined the basic structure of an HTML. So here is the main page, the main white page as you can see over here, and here I have given a navigation bar, describe the navigation bar, and here I have given the styling to raw HTML. So this, as you are able to see, that this look a bit better after giving it a style. So here I have defined few properties to the scroll bar, that uh, its height, its background, that means its color, and its width. As you can see, as I'm scrolling down, it is reaching from here to till end, so this is due to this. And the transition, which means that there should be some delay as I'm moving it down, there is some delay, so this is due to this. If I will take it to 1 second, so as I'm moving down, it will take some time to reach to this position, so this is due to this time. Yeah, so let's start with the JavaScript part. As you can see, if I have not added the JavaScript, there is no change in the progress bar, so that means main role is played by the JavaScript. So first I will create a event listener window dot add event listener, that is scroll. Here I am creating the function scroll, and the function will be called again and again iteratively, and here I will declare function I will declare a variable scroll top, and I will tell what it is. It is window dot scrolly. Yeah, that means I'm talking about this, the movement I am doing with this from here. So now I will define another variable, that is window height. Window that is equals to window dot inner height, that is the total height of this page. And now I will talk about document height which is equals to document element doc, sorry, I have to write doc, document element dot scroll height. So I am talking about this part. So now define const as progress. So this formula is the main behind the effect of scroll bar progress. This is progress equals to scroll top divided by doc height minus window height into 100. This will give the result in percentage, and from here I will scroll progress, I will give the total and the actual scroll progress. Scroll dot st through style and through width, and here I will add dollar show the progress in percentage. Return this. Now I will here import from HTML const scroll progress equals to document dot query selector, and select the scroll progress class. That's all, and we are done with this. Now you can see the progress. Thank you.